Hello, I'm Micks Mowers the Mower Man and welcome to my channel. In today's video is day number 10 of the Wickes kitchen install or kitchen upgrade that me and Mrs. P are having in the house. And today is going to be the last day, I think, pretty much of the majority of the kitchen cabinets and what have you. That's pretty much all done other than just a little bit of snagging going off. Simon and Matt have worked very, very hard over on Friday. Today is Sunday, so I've had a bit of a day off myself from doing recording, but today is Sunday, and on Friday they worked really hard to get lots of bits and pieces done. And then tomorrow, which is Monday, will be tiling going off, all sorts of tiling across the walls and also the floor. We've added one or two other bits to it as well, which I want to show you, and we'll go from there. So if you have a kitchen of roughly the same age and size as this is what you can expect after about day 10. From the kitchen installers from Wickes. If this is your first time watching Micks Mowers the Mower Man, hit the old subscribe button, whack the old bell, set notifications to all, that way you'll be told next time I upload another video. So without further ado, let's get down dirty. Let's check out day 10's progress. Okay, so it is night time, so the lighting is not brilliant actually inside the kitchen with the light coming through the window, so forgive me for that. Just had a nice bath and just want to give you the update. So you saw all the cookers, they've all been installed and what have you. That's due to be wired in on Wednesday. Electrics is going in on Wednesday, but Simon's just finished doing on Friday the boiler cabinet. So now the boiler is all fully enclosed. You can't see it. He put a little tiny bit of boarding up the top there just to tie it all in. So that looks quite nice. All up there like that. Very nice indeed. And it all comes free over the hob as well. So it doesn't catch over the hob. Just wants a good dust down because everywhere is dusty. So that's nice. It's a really nice touch actually. I quite like that a lot. Also, let me just plug in. I've got a set of plugs just down here. Just want to show you some of the plinth lighting. Let me just grab this plug if I can get in between the wash machine. And grab the plug. And just light that up. Just for aesthetics. So Simon's also been doing some of the light fittings, which will be around here. So there's two of the light fittings just there, and there'll be a third going to be snuck in just down there. It's already in place, just needs to be boxed in. So we've got some plinth lighting going on down there, and there's also going to be plinth lighting in these two cabinets. This one, I believe, and then all the way around here as well. So we didn't originally have in the plan to have lights here, but we had some spare, and I said, well, why not just use them, because if there's no lights here, then at night time, when the mood's been set in the kitchen, we turn these lights on, a light across here, so I give a bit of light, so that'd be good. So that's been done. He's put the doors on the top cupboard here, and we've already started putting some bits in. We've got all new crockery and cups and mugs and bits and pieces coming, so that's all been done, and they want to know which side I want to have my knobs. So I told them on that side, because they can come around this side of a cupboard. Otherwise, if you had it like that and you entered from that side, you never really get into the cupboard. So having that side round. I've already purchased some stools and what have you. I've got one door to have fitted on here, which would be the same. All of this has been done. All the end boarding has been done on here as well, and on the top as well. Now that's all been done. I put the end board in here as well, just to tie it in. This wall was so drunk through just age, I suppose, and the house probably shifting a little tiny bit, but that's had an end board put in there. And then they also finished doing the doors on the second peninsula. So that's been done, and it's also been backboarded as well. There's no lighting to go onto there. So that's all been done. It doesn't look like a lot, but in all fairness, Simon was just sort of trying to keep up to date with regards to getting ready for the tilers. That is his main concern. So tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, Nana's door's going to come off, which is just behind me. And the tiler will come in. I'm not sure whether he's going to do, as I said, the walls first, or he's going to be doing the floor first, or he may do some and some. It may start at that end, do half of it, and then come onto the walls. I don't quite know. But it has also had a little update or add-on because we're tiling the full length of that wall there, right the way across, all the way, and then it'll be tiled there, and then it'll pick the line back up, it'll come across, and then it'll also come halfway up here as well. That'll be tiled there. So Simon said, what about tiling just this face? So I think it's going to come roughly in line with where this is. It'll be halfway up the microwave. So every time you open the old cooker up and get your roast potatoes out, you won't get no splash on there because that'll all be tiled. So that's going to be tiled on that wall halfway up, and then I think just an end edge piece put on there just to tidy that up. So that'll look nice. I have already gone round and started painting, but just painting just below the tile line, and I want to get that done. And that's had 2 or 3 coats just on the sides here, right up against the boarding, so I don't actually have to do any more cutting in. So that's all been pre-done by me. I've got to do the ceilings yet, that's going to be repainted anyway, but I want to get that lot done. So that's all been painted up, ready. I've even done over here as well. A little bit of white just there. And down through there, that's all been done. So anywhere where it's going to tally up, that's going to be wallpapered here, no problem. I think around here as well, I went around here as well. And down the bottom, that's all been painted. Just a quick little mist coat throughout there with that Wickes new plaster, wet plaster paint. So that's all been done. And now we're looking forward to day 11, Monday, which will be good. Once Monday and Tuesday are done, then Wednesday will be the electrician coming in to do all the lighting and all the sockets and the light switch over the far side. That'll be done. And then, yeah, by Thursday, we should be pretty much just the last couple of bits to do. An over door for the fridge freezer, and I think the larder cupboard. They weren't here, they lost them off of the original order. They were not ordered. I think they're coming in on the 25th, so that's by Wednesday. I think those doors are coming, so they'll be fitted either Wednesday or Thursday, probably Thursday. And that will probably be Simon's last day. He'll be done. So he would have done the kitchen in about 14 days, so 2 weeks. So, wow, it's good. A full kitchen, fully restored, plasterboarded or plyboarded, plastered, and fully refit inside 2 weeks. So it's been absolutely brilliant. I've been onto the old shop because Mrs. P's been looking for accessories. We bought a new pots and pans set and new cutlery set, new plate set. Toasters, kettles, all in a midnight blue to matchy with the old cabinets and what have you. So that I think it's blue and midnight blue and brass trim, so that's quite nice. So been busy doing that. Got the black stools, they've been ordered. I got them from the range. They're about £100 each for the stools with backs as well, so that'd be quite nice. Just hope they're going to be the right height. They tend to be around about the same height, so I'm not overly concerned. But I think they'll be about right, because you want to be sat nice and comfortable when you're eating your food, don't you? So that's good. We've just got the peninsula ends to fit on the strips, just to fit on the ends of the peninsulas and the end of the boards. So that's all just got to be done. I know that Matt was round with a file the other day, just filing off the edges, so that's got to be done. But apart from that, I've also got some fresh holes over the far side, some fresh holes down there. We have new fresh holes going on here as well, just to bring it all in, tie it all in. So yeah, we are nearly there. Can't sort of wait for it to be over. It's been a really nice experience. It's been a tough couple of weeks, just living out of boxes now. So as I say, we have started to put some stuff in. As soon as Simon said to us, you can start to put some bits in, we were on that straight away. So some of it will have to be moved because the Sparky's got to come in and move some bits and pieces. So, but Mrs. P hasn't gone mad. We ran down the cupboards beforehand, so we haven't got a lot of stuff in, just your generals. But man, these cupboards are tall, and there's so much room in them. I know she's been busy just putting bits and pieces in. So we run the cupboards right down nice and low beforehand. But we have got about 15 packs of pasta. So if anyone wants any pasta, give me a shout. Now it's just a question of trying to walk around the kitchen and trying to find where we put stuff. And yes, I'm wearing glasses. I went to the opticians and they said, have a new pair of glasses, Mr. Mower. So I've got to wear glasses from now on. Yeah, just bits and pieces in there, nothing amazing. But all the cupboards, they all just swing really nice, close beautifully, absolutely lovely. So I've just got a few more bits to purchase now, just so we're comfortable in the kitchen, and we should be done. So by Thursday, 4 more days, we should be done, dusted, and Simon and Matt will be going on to their next one, which I think is down in Selsey or Middleton somewhere. So another 2 to do before Christmas. So he's a busy boy, but we'll be relaxing after they're gone. It's been an absolutely fantastic experience with them, granted. But we want our kitchen back now, and we'll get back to normality. So, and we want to cook some decent food. Mrs. P is a fantastic cook, and she likes to cook a lot of dietary foods, which is really, really low in fat and what have you. And we just not been anywhere near it. We've been takeawaying it and just microwave meals and ping, ping, ping. And it has taken its toll. So we can't wait to get back on my diet as well, because we're both feeling it, eating all this junk food. So that is something else you need to take into consideration. And I think had we even gone on holiday, we probably would have done the same anyway, because we've been out eating all that lush, rich food as well. So it's what it is. There was also a hidden expense there as well. Don't forget, if you're eating out every night or doing takeaways, that has an expense as well. So just bear that in mind if you're doing a kitchen install as well. But there you go. So I'll come back to you tomorrow after, that'll be day 11. Let you know how the tiler went, and hopefully we'll either have the floor down or the walls done. One or the other. I'm happy with each. And then we'll go from there. And I think Thursday the plumber's coming back in to rehang the radiator. I can do it myself, but because of the insurance, I was just much rather he do it. He come and just plug it in, get it done, and away you go. So that's good. So Ash is coming in on Thursday. So yeah, all looking good. Just need to find out where we're putting all this stuff. That's the thing, because these cupboards are so tall, really tall, and it's filling them. I might have to buy Mrs. P and Nan a little stool or something to fill these cupboards up, because they're much taller than what we had before. So that's something we're just getting used to. But it's going to be lovely here, especially on Christmas Day and what have it. It'll be lovely here in this new kitchen. So we can't wait for that. And then also, once it's all done, I suspect we'll have to sanitise the old kitchen, get it sanitised, get it all clean, nice and hygienic, because there's dust and muck everywhere. So we need to make sure it's all nicely done, painted and whatever. And the wallpaper will probably come a bit later on, but not too much later on. If I know my Mrs. P, she'll want it done quite quick. So looks like we might be wallpapering going into November, December as well. So there you go. So if this is your first time watching Micks Mowers, my man, hit the subscribe button, whack the old bell, set notifications to all. That way you'll be told next time I upload another video. I look forward to this episode of Micks Mowers very, very soon. But until then, guys and girls, much more importantly, take it easy.